Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the future of fire safety with the Dahua Addressable Fire Alarm System. More than just a regular alarm, it offers intelligent fire safety and security to give you peace of mind. Whether you're protecting residential, commercial, or public buildings, Dahua has got you covered. At the heart of the system is the Addressable Fire Alarm Control Panel, which is responsible for controlling everything. It provides early warning fire detection, displays important fire information, and ensures prompt evacuation. With two-wire and polarity-free technology, it can connect with other elements to create a complete fire alarm system. This system provides flexibility in design and operation to meet the needs of various projects. Smoke detectors and heat detectors are essential elements for fire safety. They work together with manual call points and sounder strobes to alert and guide occupants during emergencies. This comprehensive system covers all bases of fire safety and can help resolve issues that can't be managed at the fire point. Our smoke alarm is no ordinary alarm. It incorporates a split-spectrum sensor that can detect smoke and differentiate it from vapor or dust, reducing false alarms. The control panel confirms the fire alarm based on the message from the detector, and the indicator lights up simultaneously, signaling an alarm. Now let's dive into the system's key features. The system uses advanced two-wire and non-polarity technology. No need to remember which wire goes to which terminal. It can communicate up to 1.5 kilometers from the control panel to the nodes, ensuring reliable coverage with ultra-low power consumption. But wait, there's more. The Dahua Addressable Fire Alarm System seamlessly integrates with the DSS Pro system. Now, you can manage your CCTV cameras and fire alarms together, eliminating complex multiple platforms. This combination helps improve your overall security infrastructure. The Addressable Fire Alarm System follows EN 54 standards of fire detection and fire alarms. In the event of a fire, on-site personnel can activate the manual call point to trigger the fire alarm system. The control panel receives the fire information, records the event, and activates the sounder strobe. At the same time, the DSS system connects with nearby cameras to display live video and thermal images of the fire scene. If no one is on site and a fire occurs, the detectors will sense the change and send an alarm to the control panel. The control panel will record the fire details and connect with the DSS Pro platform, prompting cameras to take pictures and record videos of the scene. This info is then used by control center personnel for remote fire alarm identification. For buildings that are difficult to retrofit with wires, we offer our wired addressable plus wireless LoRa solution. So there you have it, the Dahua Addressable Fire Alarm System. More than just a system, it's a commitment to intelligent fire safety. Visit our website to learn more or contact us for personalized solutions. Thanks for joining us and stay safe. Wish you alarm. Wise your alarm.